2025 Tesla Semi, First Deliveries and Real-World Use Cases. 2025 Tesla Semi, Electric Truck, Long-Haul Freight, Zero Emissions, Range, Charging, Fleet Adoption, YouTube Reviews. The 2025 Tesla Semi is no longer just a futuristic concept, it is finally hitting the roads in meaningful numbers as first deliveries ramp up across the US. After years of anticipation, Tesla's all-electric Class 8 truck is stepping into real-world duty, reshaping the conversation around long-haul freight and sustainable logistics. With promises of zero emissions, high efficiency, and bold technology, the Semi is aimed at transforming one of the world's most energy-intensive industries, trucking. A milestone for Tesla and freight industry. Tesla initially revealed the Semi in 2017, but production delays pushed deliveries to late 2022 in limited numbers. By 2025, Tesla is scaling up, handing over units to key partners such as PepsiCo, Walmart, and UPS. Early adopters are already using the truck for real-world freight routes, proving the viability of electric transport in long-haul applications. Performance and range. The Tesla Semi impresses with specs that rival diesel trucks. Equipped with a tri-motor setup, the truck delivers over 1,000 horsepower and instant torque, enabling it to haul up to 82,000 pounds, gross combined weight. Despite its size, the Semi can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 20 seconds while fully loaded, a remarkable figure in the trucking world. Range is a key highlight. Tesla offers two versions, one with 300 miles of range and another with 500 miles, measured under load. For many fleet operators, this is more than enough for daily freight routes. Charging is supported by Tesla's new megachargers, capable of adding up to 400 miles of range in about 30 minutes. Real-world use cases. PepsiCo was the first company to put the Tesla Semi into daily operations, running the trucks out of its Modesto, California facility. Reports show that the Semis are successfully delivering products across regional routes, meeting efficiency targets while lowering operational costs. Walmart and UPS have announced they are expanding pilot programs as more units arrive, signaling growing confidence in the Semi's practicality. Industry experts highlight that the Semi's lower fuel and maintenance costs compared to diesel rigs could deliver significant long-term savings for fleets. Combined with the push for zero-emission mandates in states like California, adoption of the Tesla Semi aligns with regulatory trends. YouTube achievements and buzz. On YouTube, the Tesla Semi has become a viral sensation. Videos of the truck accelerating with a full load, tackling steep inclines, and plugging into megachargers have each generated millions of views. Reviewers and influencers highlight the Semi's futuristic cockpit, which features dual touchscreens, a central driving position, and advanced safety systems like autopilot for highway driving. Walk-around videos showcasing PepsiCo's delivery fleet and real-world freight testing are among the most watched, often sparking heated debates in the comments about infrastructure readiness and the future of trucking. The Semi's combination of size, power, and futuristic technology continues to draw massive online interest. Final thoughts. The 2025 Tesla Semi marks a turning point for commercial transportation. With strong performance, competitive range, and growing fleet adoption, it demonstrates that electric trucks can compete with, and in some cases outperform, diesel rigs. Judging by YouTube buzz and early fleet success, the Semi is not just a bold experiment but a glimpse into the future of freight.